Welcome to another edition of Cooking with Geek. Recently, a friend of mine sent me a recipe, so tonight we're gonna cook it. Ingredients include tomato, coriander, onions, garlic, some peppers, jalapenos, carrots, and some spices. First, we're gonna cut an onion, some garlic. Her recipe says add some chili peppers depending on how spicy you like it. I have some red peppers, some jalapenos, and some real peppers. I guess I'll add the spicy ones. Cut the little red peppers in half. It's gonna be so hot. Now we're gonna add half a tablespoon of turmeric, and I don't have any cumin powder, but I do have cumin seed, so I'll add half a tablespoon of that too. 2 tablespoons of water. She says add 2 carrots. Perfect. I wasn't given any direction on how long I'm supposed to leave things cooking before adding the next ingredient, so I'm just gonna toss some carrots in. I tried to cut the carrots as small as I could since I'll be blending them later. The recipe says use 2 tomatoes, if tiny use 3. I'm just going to use them all. Is this the equivalent of 2 tomatoes? Maybe. Her recipe says add the tomatoes slowly. I don't know what that means, so I'm just gonna pour all the tomatoes in. So I need to add some cups of water, so I think I should transition to a smaller pot that has some higher sides so I can blend more effectively and add water to make this into more of a sauce. I probably should have made it in a saucepan to begin with. Now we're gonna add 2 cups of water. While we wait for that to cut down, I bought a dream melon, so let's cut into that. There's so much juice. It's a good melon. Then we're gonna mix 2 tablespoons of cornstarch into half cup of water. That's probably 2. So I think more of this liquid should have evaporated, but I'm just gonna add the cornstarch liquid in now. Her instructions were to rise the flame until it's at a boil, which we are then at, and then to add some coriander, and then to use the hand blender to blend it together. When I went shopping, I wanted to make sure that I didn't make the same mistake as I did with the Bangladeshi fish curry, and instead grabbed cilantro instead of parsley. So I double checked, made sure I did, and then it turns out that it's still Italian parsley. I came home with cilantro and now I have parsley. I don't understand what happened. I do have some ground coriander, so I'll toss that in, but like, I just don't understand. Obviously I added the parsley anyways. Now let's just get to blending. So now that the tomato carroty soup sauce is done, I made a little bit of tortellini and